How's everyone today? Just wondering. Is it just me or does everyone pile shit up in the garage? Wow. I get back right. I think my mom's a hoarder. I really do. But that's her problem. Today's agenda is to work on this piece of shit craftsman fucking thing. I don't know. I started puking out oil out of the carburetor when I tried using it, so it clogged the whole carb up. So I'm gonna go get some carb kit and needle jet. I'm pretty much gonna just rebuild the whole carb. And table saw I'm gonna sell. It's on Craigslist. You know, it's not bad. It's craftsman. I'm selling it for like $50. No, I only paid 15 for it, and no one wants to even buy it for $50. I think this economy is starting to really suck. So let's go from there. If this puppy don't run after today, we do sure have some sure starter fluid. Charcoal. Harmful. Harmful is swallowed or fatal. We'll make this thing start on fire. Got the middleman shit. Napa, $4 a can, because that's how freaking expensive they are. Wolf's Head oil. I wish I had the Napa people down by your store. But let's see if this piece of crap starts today, and I'll get to show you what I actually mean by it. And my mom is retarded and always leaves the gas on. But what a piece of hanky it is, anyways. Okay, so let's find me a camera stand. Napa. Hope you guys can see that. I'm using my Napa can. I can smell oil in the carb still, but it still wants to ignite, so. What a piece of crap.